All right, so we hear in the news a lot about different studies done on vaping, and people talk about what is vaping and what are the benefits of vaping. Essentially, vaping is this. It's using a device to mimic the behavior and the feel of smoking a cigarette without all of the death, disease, and cancer that goes along with it. There have been numerous studies. These products have been on the market since 2007. There have been studies by Drexel University, by the Royal College of Physicians in the UK, the Public Health England, Government of Italy. Dozens and dozens of studies have shown that this is a safer alternative to smoking, about 95%. The government of the UK was actually very anti-vaping in the past couple of years. They were trying to ban sales in stores. They didn't like vaping at all. And then the 12 largest health groups in the United Kingdom came together and said, we're going to study this to see what the actual harm or benefit could be. And when they did that, they actually found that this little simple device is one of the greatest healthcare tools that the world has seen in the last 50 years. And the reason being is no one has been successful in getting people to quit smoking. But yet this simple device has been able to achieve that goal in record numbers. This has between a 60 and a 70% efficiency rate in getting people to quit smoking. The leading FDA approved methods have a 10 to 15% success rate. So this is changing lives in a very dramatic and measurable way. So the UK government said, you know what, we're taking the wrong approach. They now encourage people to use this. They've stopped banning vaping in public. They've stopped banning sales. They've stopped putting restrictions on the sales and marketing of this product because they see it as helping the citizens of their country prevent death and disease. Where here in the United States, the state of Indiana and the federal government, through the FDA, have taken a different approach. They're backing big pharma and the anti-smoking groups who get paid by the tobacco companies. They're restricting these sales, they're restricting the products, they're restricting everything about it. Where you can vape, they're taxing it like it's a pack of cigarettes. They're putting restrictions on manufacturers. They want, this tank is now considered derived from tobacco, because the FDA has sided with big pharma to keep you addicted to the death and disease caused by cigarettes. All of the studies show 95% safer. It's not safe. Nothing is 100% safe. Every product has the potential to be harmful regardless of what it is. It can also be misused by a person. But what this does is it reduces the death and disease caused by combustible traditional tobacco cigarettes. There's a lot of an old quote out there that says, you smoke cigarettes for the nicotine, but you die from the tar. While studies have shown that there may be trace amounts of some of the same toxins found in vaping, the levels are so minute that the possibility of harm is so remote, but the benefit to switching is so great that doctors around the world are recommending this product to people. So if you're a smoker, if you know a smoker, if you love a smoker and want to see them around for the next 50 years, encourage them to go into their local vape shop and get one of these devices to make that healthy switch today, because the life you save may be your own. It's a cliche, I know, but it's true. Very successful. One of the reasons why this product is so successful is you can customize this for yourself. Every device is tailored for you. How does it fit in your hand? How does it work? How long does the battery life last? What are the functions of the device? Are all things that you can personally tailor for yourself. You could find the perfect device for you. And then you have the liquid that goes into it. There are hundreds of thousands of e-liquids on the market right now in the US, and all of them come in multiple nicotine strengths. So you can find the right flavor for you today at the right nicotine level that you need to help you transition away from cigarettes. No other product is like that. It's completely customizable, and that's why it's so successful. Because if you want something that's a little more sweeter, you can get something that's sweeter. If you want something that tastes more like a traditional tobacco flavor, you can get that. If you want something that has the higher nicotine levels, so maybe you don't vape as often, you can do that too. If you want less nicotine and would rather vape more often through the day, the sky is the limit. There is an endless amount of options for you to personally tailor this experience. And it doesn't matter if you're using an EVOD pen or if you're using a mega dripper box. This vaping is your experience. This is your path, your journey, and it doesn't matter how you vape, just as long as you're vaping and not smoking cigarettes. So that's what vaping is. It is safer. It is going to be better. And it is an option for you today, and I encourage you to go into your local vape shop and experience it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can visit us at HoosierVapers.org. We have a dedicated team of volunteers who are happy to help you find the right setup for you, answer your questions, and walk you through going to your local vape shop to get set up today. But make that commitment to yourself today to take a healthier lifestyle, to make that choice for yourself and for your family. Thank you for watching.